Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and you're watching iPhoneTopics.com. Many people complain that their camera screen is black and stopped working in iOS 14. Today in this video, I'm going to give you a simple solution to troubleshoot that issue. Solution number 1. Turn on your flashlight. First, unlock your phone and go to the control panel. For that, if you have a Face ID phone, you have to swipe from the top right corner of the screen. And if you have a Touch ID phone, swipe upwards to see the control panel. Now, turn on the flashlight icon. Then go back to the camera app and wait for 5 to 10 seconds. And now, your black screen disappears and your camera will start to work properly. Solution number 2. Restart your iPhone. For that, press and release the volume up and down button once and press and hold the power button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to power off and wait for a few seconds and again turn on your phone by pressing the power button. And after that, open the camera and you can see it's working. That's all guys, try out these two methods and tell me how it worked for you, and also tell me if you have any other suggestions in the comments below. So guys, if your problem is not solved yet, wait for some time and hopefully Apple might fix this issue soon. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to iPhoneTopics.com. Thank you.